Microsoft Outlook app not working. Here's how you can simply fix this, guys. Let's say the Microsoft Outlook app isn't working. All you need to do is close out of it and search for RUN, that's run, and now click on run. And now where we have the space bar, just go ahead and type in Outlook exe space forward slash safe. We do this so we can simply run Outlook in safe mode so that we can test if the issue is from the application itself. So once you try this option, if it doesn't work, if you're still getting that issue, all you need to do now is simply use the search again and open up settings. So once you've opened up the settings menu, just simply head over to applications. So head into apps, head into installed apps, and then at the top here, use the search icon to simply type in Outlook. So go ahead and search for Outlook. And now once you found Outlook, click on the three dots by the side, click on advanced options, scroll till you find terminate, and then immediately terminate the app and its related processes. Go ahead and click on terminate. And then you can relaunch the application again. If the issue still persists, you may need to repair it or reset it. So it's one of these three here. Either you're going to be repairing or resetting or uninstalling. So you could use any of these options. Now, if that also doesn't work, you could try the final resort of re-downloading and logging back into your account. So you could log back into your account by simply downloading the Outlook application over again. Now, if that doesn't work, don't forget to also check your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure to check your internet connection as well. All right, guys.